So I played Corpse Party, and it's pretty gruesome.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, she's dead.
As you can see. So let's go through this mysterious high school together.
Wait, low key though, chat? I could really make a song out of this. I'm trying to fuck on yo, I'm trying to fuck on yo mans. Oh, what the fuck am I saying, bro? Holy fuck. What type of demonic ass music? Oh, hell no. Hey! Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Why are they cooking though? This is actually tough. What the fuck? Yo, nah, they actually might be putting a curse on me, bro. I can't fuck with this shit. Yo, this shit a little too demonic for me, bro. Like, where to? This shit a little too demonic. Yo, bro. Yo, bro. Yo, bro. Yo, bro. They need to slow down. They actually need to slow the fuck down. But I still love her, which all my heart, with all my heart. Okay, nigga, why are you writing a love letter, bro? I don't care, bro. Get that shit out of my face. What the fuck? Oh my god, he's cooked. It's a blackout? Put yourself together. Don't scare us like that. You like, bro. Satoshi, bro. Lock in, bro. You're gonna get scared around the huz, bro. Told you it was a bad idea to stay here so late and tell ghost stories. I mean, like, who really, like, is you pussy, bro? Satoshi, bro. Satoshi, bro. We explained this before, bro. Around the huz, nigga. This is why you never gonna get a girl, bro. I keep trying to tell you, bro. The girls are all trembling in fear. Doesn't it just break your heart to see them like that? Honestly, no. Cause think about it. This your Shiki nigga. He's not lying, bro. Satoshi, you've been acting like, you know, a little, you know, scaredy cat this whole time. Just go out there and put to them, not really the man and shit. You gotta go do that, bro. Is anyone still, yo, I'm not gonna lie, bro. You know, they say black people always the first to die in horror movies. I'm not being the first one this time, bro. I'm leaving. I'm getting the fuck up out of there, bro. Yo, that shit not funny, bro. Yo, that shit not funny, bro. No. Cause let's talk about it. This nigga is in a fetal position, bro. This nigga is laying on the ground in a fetal position, bro. How the hell was you supposed to look brave and go get the door, and you ended up looking more like a bitch? No, cause no. Cause look at this. Yo, shut the. Oh my god, shut up. Please shut up. Anyways, look at this nigga with the purple hair. Why is he trying to be all oriful, bro? You can look at us, bro. You don't gotta be in the corner looking away. You could look at us. Stop trying to orifarm. Oh, now you want to turn around. See, we're gathered around a doll, bro. Like, this never ends good, bro. Why are we gathered around a doll? Like, can we be civil? Like, can we just leave? See, if you notice, there's no black people here. That's for a reason, okay? That's for a reason. We're not doing this. This whole paper doll thing seemed a little sketchy to me. That's what I'm saying, Yoshiki. Like, why are we gathered around? Like, Yoshiki might be a little black, bro. I could really sense it in him, cause, like, honestly, I would already be out of this classroom. Niggas talking about rituals, cults. Like, I'm out of here, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This not the type of classrooms I was in. See, why are we getting closer to the no. Why are we getting closer to the paper doll, bro? Like, this never ends good, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all. See what I'm talking about, bro. Like, no, bro. This, like, we're not doing. Yo, bro, come on. Even the teacher's hand is in here. Yeah, bro. Like, holy, horrible influence. See, I told y'all. See it shaking and shit. See, I told you, bro. You wanna play with voodoo? This is where you get your dumb ass, bro. See, they over here tumbling, bro. What the hell? Oh nah, the classroom getting cooked. Yo, what is he holding on to? No. You supposed to fall, twin. What are you holding on to? Mythological being? Like, come on, bro. Oh shit. We found One of the first victims, bro. GG's. And she's unresponsive. Yeah, GG's, bro. GG's. What did I stumble over, gang? My ankle's in pretty bad shape. Oh, Seiko. Oh, okay. She's still alive. We're good. The one that was shut down and demolished. Still, you're telling me that we had a whole school that was demolished under our school? What are we doing, twin? Like, why? Wait, I'm starting to question a lot of things. Like, why am I even in this school? Second of all, how did we get into this school, bro? And why was this a good idea? Yo, chill, bro. It's not that deep. You don't gotta be screaming and yelling and like all that. Chill, bro. Yo. Now this voice actor is top tier. I'm not gonna lie. This voice actor is actually godly, bro. That is true. You know, survival instincts. You know, if I was in this type of situation, I'm making it out.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Me personally, though. Me, you know. Y'all, I don't know how y'all would fare, but me, I would do amazing. I should. A 17-year-old student, I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. All we need to know is that this nigga is he just is scared. He's just scared, bro. Like I don't know, bro. Like he one of those type of people that girls look at and like they're like, oh, nah, he's cute. Like he's a baby. Like that could never be me, bro. Where to? See, brain smarts. I remember that there was a loose board, and we got that shit, and we taking it over here. You know, what can I say? I'm just a top tier academic weapon and stuff like that. The skeleton remains of a girl with a big hole in her skull and still sitting on the chair closer. Especially reveals a student ID name tag. Damn, everybody getting packed, bro. It's packed central at this point. A shiny metallic key with a pretty finish attached label reads infirmary. We got the infirmary key? I bet. Watch us find a dead body, and it'll be one of our classmates in the infirmary. Tisk. We're cooked, bro. Yo, where in the hell I see the infirmary? I'm not gonna lie, I've been lost for like 20 minutes, bro. Like, where do I go? No, where do I go to? Yo, I'm not gonna lie, that shit took me like 20 minutes to figure out where I was going, but we're here, bro. If you do, don't look at the newspaper. I'm really curious about the newspaper. Yo, bro, wants to take a peek at the newspaper. Like, gang, this is how people die, bro. Like, bro, this is why I can't be in a horror movie with people like, let me out, what? Oh my god, we're cooked. Yo, no, cause are you not worried about who unlocked the door? Oh my god, we found the infirmary. Looking closely, it seems as someone painted over each of these organs with actual blood. Yo, wait, how do you know that, though? Like, I swear to God, if somebody just gave me a painting and it was just red, I don't think I would know it was blood. Like, I don't know, man. Let's lay down and skip the night. Minecraft. Sorry. So, explain to me why the girls have more stalls. Like, what? Aww. See, I'm not gonna lie, this is a very wholesome moment for a very not wholesome game, bro. Well, you know what they say when two people are faced with difficult situations, shall we say, it often leads to love. Sweet love. Like, what the fuck? This not the game I signed up for. This not the type of game I signed up for. Slow down. Class 2 Niners never say die, right? We're invincible? Yo, you're not invincible, twin. How do I tell you? Bro? In there? Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, she's dead. Oh my god, she's dead. With the blank eyes, Siko swung back and forth. Slowly in her noose, all life had been completely drained from her face. Oh my god, bro. This gotta be hella traumatic. I think it's like The whole group is in pairs of 2, I think.
Yo, that was the end of that. I'll be doing chapter 2 of Corpse Party very soon. Let me know what y'all want to see in the comments. And I'll see y'all next video. Peace.
I'll write another sad song for you. Affections overdue, I'm imbued, bursting at the seams. I don't know whether you've been doing better than you seem to. I know I shouldn't ask how you doing, but curiosity killed the human. Nothing left to lose, running out of excuses. Can't deny it's true, yeah it's true. Baby, lately I've been feeling blue. You knew the distance that we grew. Do you think about me too? It's true, yeah it's true. Baby, lately I've been feeling blue. You knew the distance that we grew. Do you think about me too? Cause I'm hitting another cig, I'm sickening. I keep on slipping, I'm sipping another drink, stripping all of the protections, affecting all of the evils I'm living through. I'm not trying to be vicious, I'm vulnerable. It's true.